Hey, I'm Lance. I've spent the last couple of years thinking about restoring a Volkswagen Beetle just like this. Now we just grabbed one, 1973 Super Beetle. Welcome to the first episode of This Old Bug. Won't you stay a while? As you can see, flip around here, we have a gem cherry red Volkswagen Super Beetle. Definitely has the original factory paint. You can tell by them being two different colors. No turn signals on the front, no front bumper. We had to take off the hood latch to move the car in my landscaping truck, or trailer, because that didn't really work. Gas tank actually looks pretty good. Under the hood looks good. Obviously no spare. We have 2 flat tires currently, no rear fenders. Fantastic. Somebody was nice enough to tack weld the sunroof shut. And they also filled it with Bondo, apparently. The last owner did that much. Interior. Jeez. Interior is in racing orange, race car orange and white pleather with the optional wear package, much like 90s jeans. Steering wheel, you know, let's try and get some light on. Jeez. Steering wheel is there. Dash is in just absolutely atrocious shape. That's okay. Sunroof from the inside. There are currently no back seats, and it echoes inside the body. But you might be wondering, Lance, why would you buy a car like this that only has one rearview mirror with no glass in it and a tack welded shut sunroof? But really what you got to see is what's back here. Notice there's no fenders. Oh, there's no motor cover. This is really why we bought the car. What the? Jill! Where's my motor?